What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra into the OtterBox Defender Series case, so stick around. Welcome back guys, and let's get straight into it. So as you can see, we have an included belt clip that comes along with the case, so let's go ahead and remove that belt clip from the case. Next, grab a credit card or something similar in size and insert it in between the inner polycarbonate shell and the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. Next, you're going to make your way around the entire case, removing that outer layer of shock absorbing silicone, and be sure to remove all sections so it does not rip when you separate the two parts. Taking a closer look at the inner polycarbonate shell, we can see that we have specific arrows in specific locations. Now all those locations are sections that need to be popped apart. So we'll go ahead and start off with the top right section, followed by the middle and the bottom. We'll go to the top. Now I'm doing it with my fingernail, however you can use something like a butter knife or even a small flathead screwdriver. So this is how it should look after the case is completely apart. Next, you're going to place the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra into the back section of the case, and then grab the front frame and place it on top, gently snapping the two pieces together. Now once you snap the two sections together, go ahead and make your way around the entire case, ensuring that it's properly snapped together. Next, you're going to grab the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone and place the inner polycarbonate shell inside of it. And once you do so, make sure that the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone is also properly attached to that inner polycarbonate shell, which actually has a lip that you can put that outer layer of silicone into. And that's it. Now you've properly installed the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra into the OtterBox Defender Series case. If this video helped you out, please be sure to drop a like rating down below, and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.